Good morning, friends. Today in this lecture, we will talk of candlestick chart, the told stories and the untold story. But friends, before I go ahead, the first question arises is that what is the technical analysis itself? So if I were to elaborate this, I will say that technical analysis is a language by which you communicate with the share market. Or, in other words, technical analysis is the language of share market. I think you have understood that if you want to earn money in the share market, how important it is for you to communicate with the share market. So, friends, let us see first of all what is the candlestick chart. Friends, actually, that in candlestick chart, two things are there. First of all, why should we study candlestick chart? Second thing is why it is essential. Now, why we should study candlestick charts in the technical analysis? Simple thing is it gives us more money more money than line charts. Number one. Point number two is that what do we do in the technical analysis? The untold story is that we catch the price movement only. Friends, I have read so many books, I have attended so many seminars, but eventually, if you see the technical analysis, what you are doing is only catching the price movement, nothing else. And that is actually the language of share market. Whether it is a line chart or it is a candlestick chart or anything, you are only catching one thing, that is the price movement. So in candlestick charts also we catch the price movement, and what happens is when we catch the price movements, different kinds of patterns are formed. Patterns means repeatedly they are happening. After a period of time it forms a pattern. Okay, so say for example this is a random blue line. This is a price line which I have drawn. You can say any share XYZ, any share. So this blue is actually the movement of the stock or forex or commodity price, whatever it is the movement of the price. Now in this, friends, you see here that this is the highest point, this is the lowest point, here it opened and here it closed. So we have seen here four things. First thing is opening price, closing price, highest price and the lowest price. We have seen only the four things. So opening price is here, the closing price is here, lowest price is here and the highest price is here. If I join this opening and closing, fine, here you see in opening and closing, you find a sort of a candle, which is because of the price movement, and this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. These two are known as wicks. Okay, this is the body of the candle, these two are the wicks. Now this price movement can be for 5 minutes, it can be for 10 minutes, it can be for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, can be anything. If this is a price movement for 1 day, at the end of the day this will be the candle which will be formed. If it is for 5 minutes, at the end of 5 minutes this form of candle will take place. It just depends that what is the time frame you have taken for formation of candle, whether you are checking the time frame in 5 minutes, you are checking time frame in 10 minutes, or you are checking the price movement after 1 day's time. So this is actually what is known as the formation of candle. It is nothing but the price movement has been captured within one candle for a specific time frame. I hope I am very clear on this. Now friends, we see here, this is the same body of the candle. This is opening, this is closing, this is highest point, this is the lowest point. So friends, if I say here this is the opening, this is closing, so the price actually is going up. You can see opening is here, closing is here. We actually call it bullish candle. And if the opening is here and closing is down, fine, then we call this as bearish candle. So when the price goes up, it is bullish candle. When the closing price is down, it is known as the bearish candle. Friends, the entire intention is that to oversimplify the candlestick charts. Very simple reason is that everybody should understand the chart and the patterns. Now friends, we see this, what it is. Actually it is very simple. There is no explanation required. Still we will explain it. Let us check it. Here there is a bullish candle. Again this is opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, like that. Here friends, you see the candle, the body of the candle is very large. Let us say it opened here at 250 rupees and closed at 300 rupees. So that this candle opening and closing, the price difference is, let us say, 80 rupees. Here the opening and closing, the price difference is 60 rupees. Here opening and closing, it is 40 rupees, and here opening and closing, it is 20 rupees. So friends, what happens here is, as the prices are going up, the range of opening and closing actually is reducing. Or in other words, I will say the stream of the way the stock price was going up, this price actually is gradually, previously it was going with the speed, and then the speed has reduced, and a time will come when it will start falling. Now it has reached a place. After this, actually friends, what has happened is, after reaching this place, there is a candle, which has come, a smaller candle has come. When this smaller candle has come, these two candles combined today, they form a two candle pattern. This pattern actually is known as pattern number 1. I will write it here. This pattern is known as Hermy pattern. If this candle comes before this, it will be known as Hermy pattern, and it is a very, very strong pattern. Supposing this comes and this comes, not this and this comes in front of it. Now this is actually a 50% line. Fine. Now you find that that this opening is above the 50% line. It is piercing. So piercing 50% line, this is known as piercing pattern. Now let us say the third. This candle has come before this. Total body, this body is much bigger than this body. This has literally swallowed it. So we call it as engulfing. And then what has happened is, before this candle, this has come. You see, this candle actually is formed below this, and then it has come up to this place. A hammer is formed. We call it, this particular is known as hanging man. Friends, what has happened is that every month or every 2 months time, the people come up with a different patterns like this. 3 black morning star, evening star, 3 black crows. Then I don't know what all they come, and it is very maddening, because this actually 4 will cover 95% of the working of the share market in candlestick patterns. So what is the whole idea is, this is actually 2 candlestick pattern. You have 3 candlesticks pattern. You have 4 candlesticks pattern. By the time whole profit is gone. By the time the buy signal comes, whole profit is gone. We cannot see. We are actually the traders. We cannot go beyond the 2 patterns. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. If we wait for the third, or if we wait for the fourth, whole profit is gone, right? So what I was trying to tell you here is that when this comes before this, or this comes before this, or this pattern, the big candle comes before this, so this is actually, I have numbered them, and the prices actually will fall. And you see, as it went up, it fell down. Similarly, what had happened is reverse of this has happened. The moment a small candle comes with a gap up opening, fine, you call it a Hermy pattern. Then this is a piercing pattern. Then this is third is engulfing pattern, and here we call it a hammer. It is hammering out the, if this comes before this, it is hammering out the downtrend. So friends, this actually is extremely simple. I have tried to make it. Still, if you want to study more patterns, you can always go to the Google and find, you will find actually 125 more patterns, which from learning point of view is okay. But from the application point of view, actually I think it is never required at all. At the same time, friends, we also learn about the single patterns. Fine. Here I have drawn some single pattern. Actually, this is, here it is known as doji. This pattern is known as doji. You can see the body of the candle here actually is very small. The body of the candle is very small. Whenever the body of the candle is very small, actually it is insignificant, it says nothing. But there is an exception. An untold story is that if the body is small and if the wicks are long, then they show that trend is likely to reverse. So when this is in the middle, fine, and wicks, you say it is going to reverse. Here, if this pattern is formed, you can see here, this is opening and this is closing. The price came down here. First, the bears pulled down the price here. Then the bulls pushed the price above the opening price. This is known as dragonfly doji. This is known as doji. This one is doji. Number 2 is dragonfly doji. And this is number 3. You can see it is something like gravestone doji. Friends, whenever this kind of doji comes, that means the traders are in the confusion whether we should buy the share or we should not buy the share. If I were to still explain it, supposing the opening price here is 100 rupees and the closing price is 101 rupees. Fine. So what happens is there is a tug of war going between the buyers and the sellers. Although the price from here has come here, from here it has gone up here, that is one thing. But eventually this doji actually in the Japanese word means the traders are in the state of confusion. So I will say if the doji comes here, again there will be a sort of a confusion whether the price will go up or not. Similarly, if this dragonfly doji comes here, if this dragonfly doji comes here, likelihood the price will go up. If gravestone doji comes here, it will fall. So this is exactly what it is. Now friends, I would like to tell you, as far as the candlestick charts are concerned, candlestick charts are, say, roughly about 85-87% good in absence of news. And when you combine it with indicators, say up to 95%, they are very good. But whenever the news comes, which is good for the stock or the bad for the stocks, this news actually makes the charts, they distort the charts, and then it becomes very difficult to trade. But indicators come to our help. Untold story is what? In volatility, nothing works, but the indicators still work very well. Chart may work or not, indicators will keep the charts in place, price movements in place, and they will tell you in advance or immediately after the happening, that where the price is likely to go, that we will see in the forthcoming lectures. Fine. So if I were to summarize everything here, number one is that the technical analysis is a language of the share market that allows you to communicate with your shares. Number one. Number two, all technical analysis we see only the movement of the price. Here the one candle means 5 minutes candle means you are capturing the movement of price movement of 5 minutes. 10 minutes means you are capturing the price movement of 10 minutes. 1 day means you are capturing the total price movement for 1 day. This is known as the body of the candle. Here it is known as the wicks of the candle. Bullish candle, the price is down and the closing is up, and it is reverse in the bearish candle. These actually I have already mentioned them here. You can see them once again in the video. And whenever these comes, fine, the price actually will go down. Fine. And the reverse of this is here. Whenever these are formed, the price of the share will go up. Here I have told you about the doji. Doji, there is a confusion between the buyers and sellers, whether the price should go up or price should go down. This is known as gravestone doji, generally at the top. This is known as dragonfly doji. This is generally below, and it goes up. So simple. I think I have done my promise to you that I will keep it as simple as possible. But friends, I would like to say in the end only one thing. That is, the share market is the language of the price movement, or share with the technical analysis. You can communicate with the price movement of the share. Learn it. You will have real money, almost plus 95% times. Every time you take a trade, fine, and you see you win it. Thank you very much. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. People are coming time and again to my Facebook and actually asking for my approval of their friendship. I am happy they are doing it. But see, direct notification you will get if you subscribe to the channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice day. So friends, let us have a real check as far as the various chart patterns are concerned. Fine. But before I go ahead, please understand these charts are only say about 80-85% correct, and when you add indicators into this, then it becomes almost 95 up to 95% correct. So friends, here you can see it is a clear-cut piercing pattern. Below 50% line it is there, and eventually it has carried on. Here it is a Hermes pattern. It has come down here twice. It has given a spinning top, and it has fallen down again. Here there is a twice. This is a spinning top. This is a gravestone doji, and it faltered here. But the second candle here, it did not falter, and it went up. And here you can see piercing pattern again is here. Here again you can see a sort of an engulfing pattern. Here there was a confusion. The second candle, this candle actually confirmed that here this candle actually confirmed the fall. You can see here, friends, that here actually it should have gone up with such a long candle. It failed here, but here there was a spinning top. It fell down. Here there was a doji. It went up. Here there is a piercing pattern. This is actually an engulfing pattern. This is twice. It is gravestone doji. It fell tremendously. You can see here it is a Hermes pattern. You can see an engulfing pattern here. You can see here there is a spinning top confusion, spinning top next day confusion, and then it went up. And again, twice the spinning top, it is giving us a signal that it will fall down. And you can see here again, here it is a Hermes pattern. It went up. Here there is an engulfing pattern. It went down. And when I am recording this, friends, then it is giving me a dragonfly doji, not fully developed, but yes, just partly. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So friends, as I say always, that it is not that 100%, the things will be as I have said, friends, that these are only 80-85% correct. But the moment you put here a line uptrend, or you put the indicators, it will be a very beautiful, almost 95% correct. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.